What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package, like many others here recently, was sent most likely by one of my viewers who stepped up and offered to send me a knife from the list that I sent out on the community posts. So thank you very much. The name on the box is Alex, so thank you so much, Alex. Unless I find out that this is from the Pass-Around group, in which case this won't be, my dialogue about it will change. But I have instructed, of course, my viewers to leave a card inside with some information on it so I know who it came from. We're going to be unboxing this package today with the legendary Ontario Rat 1. You can find it, as well as many other knives that are extremely recommendable, by opening up my description and taking a look at my Amazon store. You can also find my Redbubble store for merch, Patreon if you want to support the channel, and my sister channel, Silent Complex. Please subscribe to Silent Complex. There's also individual links for some cool knives down there. But if you pull open my actual merch store, I have everything nicely sorted out so that you can go through and check out exactly which knives are my most recommendable. I've got awesome budget blades, I've got display stuff, maintenance stuff, and lots of the brands that everybody likes, all categorized out. Very easy to sort through if you're looking for something new. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the box. This rat has been resharpened many times, and it's about midway through that edge's life. Okay, we do have a piece of paper in here, so I was right. It says here, here, let's see here. Oh, no, I don't want to show us his actual information, but his Instagram, you can see right there, is at AROJAS86 on Instagram. So please give that man a follow. He says, MC, go ahead and use these how you see fit. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. I can't remember what you were sending me. Okay, there's a single package in there, but it's pretty heavy. Got more than one knife. I'm sure it'll all be, you know, it'll all come back to me as soon as I open this up. So what do we have? Oh, yeah, okay. So first off, a knife that I said that I might never have on the channel, but here it is. I feel like it's an important one. This is the Para 3 Lightweight. Many people consider this to be one of the absolute greatest EDCs. Feels a little different than my standard Spyderco Para 3. But a lot of people consider the Para 3 Lightweight to be one of the greatest all-around EDC knives here recently, and I think of all time because of the build. So that's interesting. I don't personally like FRN, but right off the bat, I can kind of understand why everybody's so crazy about this thing. It does feel a little bit more rigid than I thought it would, so that's a good sign. I'll be giving my thoughts on that. And then the only ZT Hinderer that I have never taken a look at on this channel. I've handled it before, not this version of it with the carbon fiber. It's very pretty. The ZT0566. This is the upgraded CF in LMAX. This is an assisted ZT steel frame lock. I have a lot of people asking me about this because I'm a huge Hinderer fan. This was the only one that I was never interested in, but I thought, you know what? I should review it on the channel because it's still something that's available. It's a Hinderer knife, you know, and I've got playlists for ZT knives, Hinderer knives. I'm a huge Hinderer fan, so I should definitely take a look at that and give my thoughts on it. All of these knives, sorry about that, I'm getting notifications and my phone's buzzing. All of these knives can actually be found down in the links in my description, as well as the actual Amazon storefront that I've linked for you guys. So if you want to pick any of these up or just look through the other stuff that I recommend, check out that link. Alex, thanks again for sending this stuff. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.